Week 2. Understanding academic publications. Welcome back to our research crash course. I'm Dr. Liam Ngo, and today we're going to explore the different types of academic publications. Understanding these differences is crucial for navigating research literature and disseminating your findings effectively. In Week 2, we will explore the different types of academic publications, focusing on understanding journal articles and how they compare to other forms of academic writing such as books, book chapters, and reports. We'll then delve into the key components of a journal article, learning how each section contributes to the overall structure and purpose of the research. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to identify and analyze these components, enhancing your skills in both reading and writing academic articles. Let's start by discussing what a journal article is. A journal article is a scholarly paper published in an academic journal. It usually presents original research, reviews existing research, or offers critical analysis. One key aspect of journal articles is that they are peer-reviewed, meaning they are evaluated by experts in the field before publication to ensure quality and credibility. Next, let's compare journal articles with other types of publications: books, book chapters, and reports. Journal articles are typically shorter, focused on specific research questions, and peer-reviewed. For example, you might read an article in Applied Linguistics exploring the impact of mobile apps on language learning. Books, on the other hand, cover broader topics in a comprehensive manner and are often not peer-reviewed. Consider a book on innovative approaches to language teaching, which provides an in-depth analysis of various methods. Book chapters are sections within a book, often written by different authors, providing focused discussions on specific aspects of the overall topic. For instance, a chapter in a book about technology in language education might discuss the use of virtual reality. Reports present findings from investigations or assessments and are often used in professional or governmental contexts. An example could be a report by the National Education Association on the effectiveness of online learning programs. To help you better understand these differences, let's break down the key components of a journal article and understand their functions. Knowing how each section contributes to the overall work will help you write your own articles effectively. First, we have the abstract, which provides a brief summary of the research, including the purpose, methods, results, and conclusions. For instance, an abstract might summarize a study on the impact of flipped classrooms on student engagement. Next, the introduction sets the stage for the research by providing background information, stating the research problem, and outlining the study's objectives. An example might be an introduction explaining the increasing use of digital tools in language teaching and the need to evaluate their effectiveness. The literature review follows, reviewing existing research related to the topic. This section shows the current state of knowledge, identifies gaps, and justifies the need for the study. For example, a literature review might highlight the lack of research on the use of digital learning tools in elementary education. The methods section describes the research design, participants, procedures, and data analysis techniques. This allows others to replicate the study and assess its validity. For example, a methods section might detail how a survey was conducted to assess student attitudes towards online learning. The results section presents the findings of the study. This might include tables and graphs showing survey results on student engagement. The discussion interprets the results, explains their implications, and relates them to existing research. For instance, a discussion might explore how the findings support or contradict previous studies on digital learning. The conclusion summarizes the main findings and suggests future research directions. An example might be a conclusion highlighting the benefits of digital tools in language education and suggesting areas for further research. Finally, the references list all the sources cited in the article. This provides a trail for readers to follow and acknowledges previous work. For example, a reference list following APA style might cite all the articles and books mentioned in the paper. Understanding these components is essential for becoming a better reader and writer of research articles. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the different types of academic publications and the key components of a journal article. This knowledge will be invaluable as you continue your research journey. In our next sessions, we'll delve into the publication process, including how peer review works and what you need to know about journals and indexing. Keep reflecting on what you've learned today and think about how you might structure your own research articles. See you next week. Thank you for your participation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time.